Now we are watching super flower moon. Okay, first we know about what is a super moon. A super moon happens when the full moon coincides with the moon's closest approach to Earth in its orbit. Today is super flower moon. What is the difference between the normal full moon day and the super full moon day? During the super full moon day, the moon appear a little brighter and closer than normal, although the difference is hard to spot with the naked eye. Now I am using my Nikon DSLR camera to photograph and video the super flower moon today, May 7th, 2020. Last month we witnessed the super pink moon, and now you have the chance to witness another super full moon called super flower moon. Tonight the moon in the sky will be the super flower moon. Now we are watching the super flower moon. It is the fourth and last super moon of the year 2020. The super moon will reach peak illumination at 4.15 pm, 4:15 pm Indian Standard Time today. According to our Indian Standard Time, the moon today will reach the peak illumination at 4:15 p.m. Indian Standard Time today. During this time, the moon will appear bigger and brighter than usual, as it will be near perigee, the closest approach of moon to the earth. Since this full moon will also be a super moon, it is being called the super flower moon. The term super moon was coined by the astrologer Richard Knoll in 1979, and it refers to either a new or full moon that occurs within 90% of perigee. Okay, now we are watching the super flower moon. We have to know about the details of this super flower moon. The full moon of the month of May is known as the flower moon. According to the Farmer's Almanac, the full moon of May is called flower moon because in most areas flowers are abundant everywhere at this time of the year. It is also known as full corn planting moon as well as the milk moon. What can you witness the super flower moon now? For Indian time, the super flower moon will be visible at 4:15 p.m. Indian Standard Time today. According to NASA, for the Washington DC today, the period of daylight will last 14 hours and 4 minutes. For them, the morning twilight will begin at 4:58 a.m. EDT. Sunrise will be at 6:03 a.m. Sunset will be 8:07 p.m. and evening twilight end at 9:12 p.m. During this time, the moon will appear bigger and brighter than usual. Okay, what is the connection between super flower moon and Buddha Purnima? Today is Buddha Purnima. We are observing the super flower moon or full moon corresponds to Vaishak, which is otherwise known as Buddha Purnima, which is sometimes called Buddha's birthday. This day commemorates the birth, enlightenment and death of Gautama Buddha. The actual date of Vesak varies depending upon the calendar in use in the particular country or region. but this year for most of areas it falls on or near the day of this full moon. It's a note by the NASA, and also now we are watching in Puducherry the super flower moon today, May 7, 2020, super flower moon. In India we call it as Buddha Purnima. Thanks for watching, thanks for observing. It's this program conducted by the Phoenix Science Club during the home astronomy workshop event, started from April 29 to and end it's on July 2020. It's one of the astronomical event planned by the Phoenix Science Club. This presentation was presented by D. Aravindraja, Secretary, Phoenix Science Club, Puducherry. Thank you.